Zeliangrong United Front ZUF has intensified its campaign against illegal poppy cultivation, narcotics trafficking and unauthorized settlements within what it described as an ancestral and customary territory of Zeliangrong Inpui Naga people. In a press communique issued by its Ministry of Information and Publicity, ZUF stated that enforcement action has been carried out around 12:15 p.m. on January 26 in Waphong area of Songnung Southern Hills in Kangpokpi district. According to the statement, farmhouses, poppy farms and other materials linked to illegal poppy cultivation and unauthorized structures were burned and dismantled after repeated public warnings and sufficient time for voluntary compliance were allegedly ignored. ZUF accused those involved of defying the will of indigenous people and engaging in activities that threaten public safety, indigenous land rights and future of the region. Reiterating its stand, ZUF asserted that it would not allow any illegal settlers or foreign elements to occupy or exploit indigenous land under any pretext. The organization further declared that its resolve to eliminate illegal poppy cultivation, dismantle narcotics networks and remove unauthorized settlements from indigenous land is firm, stating that the defense of land identity and future remains non-negotiable.